Starting Unit 5, Lesson 13, what we're going to do here in this entire lesson is we are going to build the formula to find the volume of a pyramid. So let's start here with problems 13.1. And start off pretty simple. For each solid, draw and label a prism or a cylinder that has the base congruent to the solids and then a height that is equal to the solids. So if we're going to draw a rectangular prism here to match this rectangular pyramid, what we're going to do is we have to have a base that is a rectangle. There it is, and the dimensions of this rectangle are 20 centimeters and 32 centimeters. And then the height is going to be 25 centimeters. So there is my rectangular prism with a base that's congruent to the pyramid's base and an equal height. Now we move on to this oblique cone. It's a cone, so I know that the base is going to be a circle. And I see that it has a radius of 7 centimeters. The top is going to be a circle. And I notice that the height is 10 feet. 7 feet is the radius, and then the height is 10 feet. So pretty simple to get started. We just had to draw these shapes. Now, taking a look at these shapes, what I hope we notice is that the volume of the rectangular prism is larger than the volume of the pyramid, and the volume of this cylinder is larger than the volume of the oblique cone.